Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete the Gemini app. First, we'll differentiate between simply removing the app from your device and permanently closing your account. Then, we'll cover the essential steps to prepare for account deletion, such as withdrawing all your assets. Finally, I'll guide you through the actual process of closing your Gemini account, ensuring a smooth and complete removal. Uninstalling the Gemini app from your phone is quite straightforward. If you're on an Android device, simply long press the app icon and choose the Uninstall option. For iPhone users, long press the app icon until it jiggles, then tap the small X to delete it. Remember, this only removes the app from your device. Your Gemini account remains active. Before you delete your Gemini account, it's crucial to prepare properly. First, withdraw all your cryptocurrency and fiat currency balances. Make sure there are no pending transactions or open orders. It's also a good idea to download any transaction history or statements you might need for your records. Sometimes, a final identity confirmation is required for large withdrawals. To permanently delete your Gemini account, you'll typically need to do so through their official website, not the mobile app. Navigate to the Account Settings or Support section to find the Account Closure option. Follow the on-screen prompts, which may ask for a reason for closing. Be aware that once confirmed, account deletion is a permanent and irreversible action.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.